Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at a Walgreens basket where it was like a $21 moneymaker. And if you wish to emulate this deal, you have until Wednesday the 3rd. This is absolutely fantastic, stacking these three boosters, and it was just a little bit of magic and razzle dazzle. So these are the three boosters. We have a paper 10 back when you spend 40, which comes out of the Catalina machine, and then digitally 10 back when you spend 30 on allergy, and then 20 back when you spend 40 on general merchandise. Now, if you look at the 20 back when you spend 40 on general merchandise, it's expiring on the 3rd. So that's why you have until Wednesday to do this deal if you wish to do precisely like I did. I have two store cards, mine and my husband's, so this was done on my husband's store card, and this is what I grabbed. You also must do this deal in store, as there are two register rewards that are printing for you. I got two of the Olay body washes for 14, and then the rest in allergy medication. The Astro Pro was $24.99 and Benadryl was $7.99, so well past that $30 price point. So I loaded my two best friends for this deal, and they are of a one-time use, the boosters, and then that other booster, the paper one on top, printed out for me, so I was very lucky about that. So let's just zoom through the store, and I'm going to show you everything. Make sure you're grabbing the right Astro Pro because it looks the same, like the double pack to the smaller pack. So this one is $24.99, and we have an $8 digital coupon that you're going to load for this dealio. And then we're also going to grab a Benadryl for $7.99, and then we're going to load this $2 digital. You never know when you might need Benadryl or the other allergy medication, so that's why I had no problem going hard on that stuff this week. And this is the promotion in store only, that when you buy two, you're going to get back a $5 store register reward. Pay attention to that. So that's why I'm not recommending to do this as a curbside, to do it in store. Also, two of the Olay body washes for 14. We have a 5 off of 2. And the weekly promotion for this is to buy two and get back a $4 register reward. So that's why do it in store. Also, I'm going to hang on to my receipt because if IBOTTA resets a rebate for Olay, Benadryl, or Astropro, I am ready. There's no IBOTTA rebates, but if something resets in the next week, I'm going to be ready. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, so looking at the math for this, an Astro Pro for $24.99, a Benadryl for $7.99, and two Olay body washes for $14, for a grand total of $46.98. Got the cashier to scan the 10 back when you spend 40 paper booster. Plus I had my other two digital boosters that I've showed you loaded to the store card. Subtracting the $15 in digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous, I paid $31.98 with my debit card, and then I got back $40 in Walgreens cash. 30 for the digital boosters, then 10 for that paper booster. I also got back $9 in register rewards, 4 for Olay, and then 5 for the allergy meds. And then Fetch Rewards is giving back $4 for the adult Astro Pro. So after everything is said and done, it's free plus a $21.02 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, or it's going to mess things up. And I just wanted to give you guys, to show you what the fetch and the register rewards look like, because yes, this deal did in fact work. So there's our 4,000 points for the Astro Pro, and then my register rewards, the top one is for Olay, and the bottom one is for the allergy. Now, I want to let you guys know, when I was trying to figure out my deal, I looked at the Astro Pro Kids to get a kid and an adult, because there's different rebates for that on Fetch. Unfortunately, in my Walgreens app, it said that the kids allergy med for that particular one, it was not part of the spend 30 get back 10, so I just passed on it and went with Benadryl. And if your boosters are not stacking, or if you're having huge issues curbside or in store, what I recommend is to ask a manager or cashier for some assistance. And if they're not going to help you, if you call customer service, they're going to say, yeah, you know what, you didn't spend enough, or there's always going to be a convenient excuse. If you know, you know. So maybe return your items if the boosters are not stacking, because you kind of need the boosters to stack to make the deal happen, or you need some high value IBOTTA rebate. Also, I noticed a pattern that you have to spend $10 after coupons for any curbside deal on the apps now. So that's also there too. I made a video yesterday about it, and if you read through the comments, a lot of people also going through similar stuff. But yes, it is somewhat confusing that you can pay for an order and not see the points that you've accrued. You have to go into the app to find it, or it might be at the bottom of your receipt, or you might not receive it at all. So I would definitely try and get a manager to work with you. And if that's not going to happen, maybe return some stuff, because I mean, this is extreme couponing. It's not just shopping and hoping for stuff. But yeah, definitely watch this video and definitely read through the comments. Lots of shoppers sharing everything. If you missed my video yesterday and you just have an itch to get out to Walgreens and make a deal happen, perhaps this is one for you. To look for some clearance CoverGirl face and eye cosmetics, so it's 50% off. We don't have any digitals, but with IBOTTA and coupons.com, this is a small money maker any way you slice it or dice it. So we're going to be looking for some face and some eye cosmetics, and it's ringing up BOGO 50% off. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA rebate app, there's $3 back for each, which is like super great. That's $12 if you're buying 4, $6 if you're buying 2. And then you're going to get back $3 for both an eye and a face products on the coupons.com app. So predicated on how much you can buy, I actually found 4. Clearances, again, your mileage may vary, what you can find in your store. What's happening here in Texas might be the same, but here in Maine might be completely different. Sorry, I'm picking on Maine again. But I found 4 cosmetics products for $12.71. And remember that for the $9 of register rewards that I had from Allergy and Olay, that's what I used. And then I also threw in $4 in Walgreens cash. I paid down the tax, got back $12 from IBOTTA and $6 from coupons.com, making this free plus a $5.29 moneymaker. And I did this without a booster, so yes, I can use my register rewards and Walgreens cash. It just makes a great little deal. The last store that we have is Rite Aid, and I know there's a spend 50, get back 10. However, my bonus cash has not hit from the last 2 months. So it's going to hit on Friday the 5th, and that's when I'm going to go shopping, because I really don't want to spend an extra $20 or $30 out of pocket. So I'm waiting, and there's not a lot of Rite Aid couponers where I live, so I have that, you know, I'm able to wait on this one. But there was one deal that I wanted to do, because I know that the Fetch Rewards app was, it had a timer on it, and it's for the cling wrap. So this is just a superb deal. These are $4.19, buy one, get back $4 in bonus cash. And this is at Rite Aid again. We're not at Walgreens anymore. And this is valid right up until June the 3rd. So that is just like, wow. And it's a limit of 4 per card. So I grabbed 2 of them for $8.38. And I just rolled some bonus cash, and then I got my 8 back. And there is a couple different rebates on Fetch. So I actually got back 3,500 points, essentially making it a complete freebie. And I thought of all the things that might leave the store by Friday, this would be it. So that's why I just went and discreetly got these 2 cling wraps, and yeah. And Fetch Rewards, I had both a 2,000 and a 1,500 for the Glad that cling wrap. So that's a really good deal. So that's the only one that I did, because I'm really, really short on bonus cash, and I just didn't really want to fill this one out of pocket and start crying at the store. Okay, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.